In this tutorial, we will go over how to create a group goal in Goal Guide. First, we must enter the Goal Guide app. Now we select a category, and next we'll go to the top right and click on the pencil icon. Click on the Add Category Team Members button. Now highlight the connections that you want to add to the goal and click Done. After you select Update, you will be taken back to the View Category page. Here you'll add a new goal. After you name the goal, go to the team list and highlight the members of the team you would like to add. And don't forget to click on the circle for group. Click on Next. Now add details for if you want the goal to be a repeater or one to complete by a certain time. Press Next. Finally, select the completion type you want to track the goal with. There's a drop down here. You can choose from basic completion, happiness, how many times it repeats, whatever you feel fits the goal best. For now, we're going to choose happiness. And they'll ask you how happy the goal made you feel after you finished it. Okay, so after that, set goal, and you're all set.